Hi, I'm Clyde, and welcome to Basic Works. And today, we're going to talk about electric cord plug replacement, something you're going to have to do quite a few times. So when these plugs get damaged, you're not just going to throw away your table saw, your shop vac, your air compressor. No, we're just going to replace the plug. It's not that difficult, as we're going to see. Now, what I did was went online and picked up one of these plugs for like $4. All we're gonna need is a pair of wire cutters and a screwdriver. We're gonna get this done fast. The first step is make sure the clamp end is loose so the cord will fit into this side, and then take these 3 screws and loosen them so we can open up the housing. We take our electric cord and cut off the bad plug. Make sure this clamp is open, and we're going to put this on the cord. Important step, because if you forget that, you're going to be taking it back off and putting it on again. Slide it back out of your way. We're going to go back here about an inch or a little more. Take our wire strippers, apply a little pressure, and just go around here in a circle around that outer insulation. As we tilt this end of the cord down, you can see it's going to pull this open. So anywhere we didn't cut, it's going to pull it like this and break it loose. And we're just going to be able to remove that outer shell. When you're cutting around here, like I just showed you, hold on to this insulation and pull on these conductors, and make sure that you did not nick any of these wires. We want about an inch of these wires. So we're just going to trim these off to about what we want. Lay a wire here. This is all the insulation you need to remove, because the bare part is going to go under this screw clamp. So that's all you need stripped off. And you'll see when I'm doing this, I cut the insulation and I rotate a little bit and then just pull that off. Twist these strands together just to make sure you don't have any stray strands sticking out. We've got all 3 of our wires stripped back to where we want them. Green is your ground, silver is going to be your white wire, and brass is black. Always remember, black to brass. I've got my green wire sticking up here on top. We're going to find the green screw, open that clamp up, and just slide that in. Nice and smooth like that. Back to where the strands are in the clamp, but not the insulation. Make sure the insulation is on the outside of the clamp. Take your screwdriver, snug that up. We double check. Green on the green ground screw, white on the silver screw, black on brass. We're good. Slide this outer casing up. Now we just start here with our Phillips head, snugging up these 3 screws for the casing. Now, once you have this piece of the housing tight, you're going to go back to this clamp. This clamp is what's hooking onto the electrical cord itself, not bare wires. There's the outer casing of this power cord is in this clamp. The only piece of the stripped wires is up in here where it's hooking onto the screw clamps. Now we're going to lay that down flat and just start to snug these up evenly. You just replaced your electric cord plug end. You're good to go.